start.
I go?
No, I want Daddy to go.
Daddy, you go first. She's happier with your gift, obviously.
Mommy's tape job for you. A little, I could have used this yesterday to throw at the TV. Wow.
You like
No,
it, Daddy?
I like this. Cute.
She wanted to get the football, but they sold out.
They sold out the football.
Can I go?
We could have went deep in the backyard.
So now you play basketball.
Yeah. Thanks, Oops.
You know this, I like that.
I love it.
Yes, she did it, genius.
Oh, Mommy, it's so cute.
I figured instead of carrying around a whole big luggage bag, take around this thing. Just put a
Take
credit
around
card.
this thing.
Yeah,
Okay,
this
take around
thing.
this thing. You don't have to carry every thing
Oh,
with you.
Lola, it's so pretty. I love it.
Take
I
around that
picked the
thing.
prettiest color there was.
I like this color.
I'm surprised.
Chinese newspaper. It's Chinese.
I'm surprised she hasn't stolen it from me yet.
Soon.
Wouldn't give it 2 or 3 days.
Soon.
Now my turn. Why is this only from Daddy?
It's for Mommy, too.
D.
What is it? Oh, my
Oh,
goodness.
look how surprised you look. Who is that now?
Mommy.
That's little Zip?
Mommy.
Oh, the Avengers have to come pay you a visit.
You want to take it easy with that ball?
Hey, bring it over here. Oh, Mommy, we need the box. Emergency.
Maybe, I don't know.
We might have to. Yeah, let's not get the box. Thank you.
And I like my Chinese newspaper, too.
Oh,
Give me that.
Newspaper. Yeah.
Baby, give me that.
Yeah.
You want me to open it?
No, I'm gonna open it on video.
Oh, okay.
Another YouTube.
It's Molly.
She looks just like you.
Molly. Now I have another mini book to read. Bye.